Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use dall-e tree image generator. Alright, so now here we are in the dall-e tree website on OpenAI. So from here you can see the samples of dall-e tree on what it can do and every details. So if you'd like to know more about that, then you would want to go into openai.com/doll -e-tree, and then you'll be prompted right here, or you could just simply search this one into Google. But in order for us to use dall-e tree for free is that we would need to go into bing.com/create, or just like that, and then hit enter, and then you would be prompted right here. And by the way, before we get started with this, I just want you to know that it is better if you use Microsoft Edge as your browser than any other browser, because Bing is most compatible with the Microsoft Bing or Microsoft Edge browser right here. So if you're having some trouble with the Microsoft Bing, or maybe with Bing Chat or something like this with a dall-e, then I suggest that you switch your browser into Microsoft Edge. So now from here, as you can see, we can now actually create an image right here just by typing it right here in this bar right here. And as you can see, we have these coins right here. So this is the boost coins right here, or boost. So this boost would help you generate image faster right here. So I'm gonna show you that in a little bit. So if you don't have any boost to spend anymore, then it would take a long time to generate the image, or for dall-e tree to process your image right here. So now let's try and generate an image right here. Let's say we want to generate a bear running in the field in a golden hour with the sun on its back. Maybe just like that. And then we're gonna click on create right here. And then as you can see, it is now currently creating the image right here, and you can see the progress right here. But as you can see right here in the right of my screen, you can see my previous prompts right here that I have used. And right here, we have now successfully created this AI image right here. And as you can see, it's very, very fast. It is because we have the boost. And as you can see, my coin boost here has been reduced by 1. So it's now 65 instead of 66. But yeah, as you can see, it is really worth it right here. As you can see, the image is really good, and it is very much on point on the prompt that I have gave, as you can see right here. So you can choose any of these images right here. So let's say we would want this one right here. I think I like this one the most. And then from here, you would have these options. So you have the share option. You have the save option right here if you would want to save this into your collection, into your browser. And if you want to download this into your local storage, then you can click on download. And after that, you can open the file right here. And then from here, we can see how high quality it is right here. We can zoom in right here. And as you can see, it is really good right here. And details is spot on right here, I think, except for its claws. I think this one is too many right here, but yeah, I think that is not noticeable. So yeah, if you would want to edit this, then you can go and try with a different prompt. Maybe you can indicate their fingers or toes on how much should it be, and so on right here. But this is basically a sample that I can give you in creating an image from dall-e tree. And then from here, you can click on customize, by the way. And from here, you can design your AI image generated prompt right here. So as you can see, when it loads, it's currently updating their terms and so on. Let's just click on next so I can show you. And then from here, as you can see, it would now load. And let's just wait for it to load right here. And as you can see, I have my image right here. So from here, I can edit my image. I can put it in the frame, some templates right here. I can even change the color, the filters, and so on right here. So you can also do that right here in Bing by clicking here on customize. And yeah, that is basically it for this one right here. You have your recently made prompts right here and so on. So now the next thing that I am going to show you is on how you can access this dall-e tree from Bing in a different way, so you can also access it in Bing Chat. So to do that, let's go into Bing Chat by going to search for Bing Chat right here, just simply like that. Search for this, or you can search this for Google, and then you would have this one right here, and you want to click on that, and then you would be prompted here into the chat of Bing right here. So you can chat with a bot. So I want you to generate me an image for this prompt right there, and then you want to say that, and then of course you would wait for it to respond. It is very important that you say this first in order for Bing to know that it should generate an image for you. But as you can see, it's currently not understanding what I said, so let me try another one. So let's go and make this like this one. So I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste this, but this time I'm gonna go and put a semicolon, and then from here I'm gonna copy the prompt and click on copy, and I'm gonna paste this right here and click on submit. So just like that. And now let's wait for it to generate this image right here. And now this sounds like a beautiful scene. So here is the image I generated for your prompt, and it's now generating just like that. All you have to do is just indicate that you want to generate an image right here. So make sure of that, and then you want to put your prompt after that right there. And now it's generating an image, and it should be basically the same speed as you were creating this prompt right here. But as what we can see right here, it's taking a bit long. So that is another observation that can be made right here, comparing this here into the Bing Chat right here. Yeah, but as you can see right here, it has now successfully created it, and it's very similar, except that the bear's placement or movement is the same. Is quite different, but it's very, very similar. So this is basically how you can access the dall-e tree in a different way other than this one right here. So you can also access it here in Bing Chat. So that is basically it on how you can use dall-e tree. So thank you for watching.